Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll to the sound section. Now just scroll a little bit down, tap to advanced, and here you'll see the notification sound section. Click here. Now we have selected the series, and we can just switch it just by select one from this available notification sound, for example this one. Then just click here to OK, and by this way we can see here that we just successfully changed our notification sound to another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.